Had a really good rainstorm come in yesterday. Probably a good ½ inch, I would guess. In some areas up in northern parts of the state, they got up to almost 4 inches of rain. So a huge storm system that came through, big deal. I think it was just enough water to actually help soak in the Milorganite and the Ringer fertilizer that we put in the other day. And as you can see, we're already getting some serious results out of that. Check this out. So today is Thursday, and in preparation for mowing again on Saturday and a couple other things that I want to do, I want to get some weed control done tonight. I'm just going to mix up a gallon's worth of concentrate right here. Let me show you what I have. So what we're going to use is just this Bio Advanced season-long weed control. I got that from Home Depot. It covers pretty much everything that I have. From broadleaf weeds to dandelions to your basic weeds that you see everywhere. We'll also add some surfactant to make sure that we get a nice good coverage on the leaf of the weeds, and of course we'll put it in our 2-gallon Chapin sprayer. So just reviewing the label here, it says to mix up in 2 gallons, 6.5 tablespoons or 3.2 fluid ounces. We're just going to use a gallon here, and so I just made a note that we're going to use 1.6 ounces per gallon. Another thing to note here is it mentions to spray when temperatures are between 50 and 90 degrees. We're right about 85 or so right now, so we're in that window. Everything's good, and so we'll mix it up and spray it on our weeds. Speaking of weed control, check out this nutsedge. All this yellow stuff you see in here is the nutsedge. And it was sprayed about 2 weeks ago, maybe a couple days over 2 weeks ago. And you can see that it's just nuked, which is excellent. All this yellow stuff in here, this is all dead nutsedge. Get a closer look, you can see the brown tips. And then we had some real thin nutsedge, watergrass, whatever you want to call it, right here. And all of that is taken out too, which is great. That just gives room for the new grass to come in and take its rightful place.